Hello guys, welcome to my channel Code Like a Pro. This channel is all about writing basic codes, just some simple codes. So that's all this channel is all about. Now today we're going to write a program that finds the sum of two numbers, and the IDE that I'm going to use is called CodeBlocks. So in case you want to download CodeBlocks and be able to code along with me, you can go to open your browser and then go to Google and then search for CodeBlocks. You can download it from searchfor.net. So you go there and then you click on the download, but since I'm having it, I'm not going to download it, so I'll just open my CodeBlocks and then we start today's business. So let's get started. Okay, so now you go to file, you go to project, you select console application, you click on go, good. You select C++ as a language and then give the project a title. So I'm going to name my project program to find the sum of two numbers. I'm going to save it in my document. You click next. Okay, now let's open the source code. Here it is. So always when I'm writing code, I always want to start from scratch. So I'm going to clear all these pre-codes and then write them afresh. So I should include IOString using namespace std, it's main. Then I'll return the errors here. So first of all, we need to declare variables to store the values that we are going to add, and we want this program to be dynamic. We don't want it to be static, in which that we initialize default values for the program. We want to make it dynamic so that any other person who uses the program will be able to use it to find the sum of any value. And also I'd like us to use the data type float, because the floats cater for both floating point numbers and then also the integer numbers. So therefore we don't know the values that the one going to use the program we want to calculate. So in case the person wants to find a sum of two floating point numbers, and then we use the data type of int, he's going to get a wrong answer. So in order to cater for both floating point and then integer numbers, we're going to use the data type float. So we type float first number. So this variable is actually going to store the first number, and then we declare another one, float second number. And also we need a variable to store our results, so we're going to call it float results. Now here comes the actual computation, so we're going to write a statement for that. But before, we need to ask the user to input the first and then the second value, so that we work on it to find the sum. So we're going to display a message to the console to prompt the user. So I'm going to say cout enter first value, then we take the first number. We output another message for the user to input the second value. Okay, so you have to also in second number. Now the statement to do the actual calculation. So we declared a variable called result, and that's where the answer is going to be stored. So we say that result equals first number plus second number. And also you have to display the final answer to the console too. So we're going to write cout the results is results. Now let's run it and see if there are no errors. So you go to build and run. Oops, build and run. If there are no errors, you're going to get the console is going to show, and then okay, so there's no error in our code. So it's asking us to enter the first value. So I'm going to enter 5. On the second value, I'm going to enter 7. I'm saying that the result is 12. Okay, now let's run it once again and also input in values with decimals and see. So we click on run, enter first value. I'm going to enter 2.5. Enter second value. I'm going to enter 6. Then our answer is 8.5. So this code is dynamic. It's able to find the sum of floating point, both floating point numbers and the integer number. Okay, thank you guys. If you like this video, please subscribe and then like it. See you next time. Bye bye for now.